Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Please take a moment to settle in and close your eyes. When we feel overwhelmed, we often go quiet and tight in the throat. Let's gently open up that space. Please place one or both hands softly on your throat. Take a slow breath in and hold. And on the exhale, let out a soft, easy sound, a gentle ah. As quiet or as full as you like. Let your voice vibrate. There's no wrong sound here. Again, breathing in, holding, and letting that open sound come from your throat and flow out on the release. Feel the vibration loosening what's held. Your voice is yours. Your throat is allowed to open. This soft sound can release anything you've swallowed down today. Let it move. Now, rest in the quiet that follows. You're free to express, free to be. I am sending you so much love.